Williams with Airframe Components, and welcome back to episode 3 of our new building construction project. Our last episode was back in August, and here we are at the beginning of October. Since our last episode, quite a bit has been accomplished on the building project. As you can see, the center mezzanine section has been built. The offices underneath have all been constructed. Restrooms are all installed now. In addition, we have completed construction of the office area on the front of the building. One of the highlights of this office area is the entryway with the wing-shaped roof on it. All the elevation work around the building has been completed. The parking lot area has been cut out. The final grading around the building has been done. Now we are ready for pouring concrete in the parking area and driveways, as well as the approaches to all the doors. One of the aspects we wanted to address in the construction of the new building was energy efficiency. We have installed all LED lighting. All the lights have motion sensors on them, so there are no light switches in the building. Lights come on when you walk in, and then lights shut off as you walk back out. Of course, we have the in-floor heating and also ventilation system here in the building for cooling in the summertime. So with all of these improvements for energy efficiency, we're looking to have a state-of-the-art building. As you can see, all of the beams have been painted white. The white beams, along with the white siding of the mezzanine area, really helps to reflect the light, making a nice, bright, organized work area. One of the other features we wanted to add into this building, along with the energy efficient items, is the skylights in the ceiling along each of the work areas. This ambient light, again, coupled with the white siding and the white beams, makes for a brightly lit area. This is supplemented by the LED lighting as well. Another interesting aspect of the office area is the diamond ground concrete floors. The concrete was poured 2 weeks ago, sat for curing, and is now in the process of being diamond ground. This will expose the aggregate underneath and give us more of an industrial look. This is being accomplished by Aaron Holland of Holland Industrial Flooring. That's all for today's episode. As you can see and hear in the background, there's plenty of construction going on, so stay tuned for future episodes of the new building project.